tell us about 2 or 3 different strategies that our viewers might be wondering around that you could give to them that you practice in your daily, practice. You tell your clients. What are the 2 or 3 things they can take with them?
So most of the time people think that changing one's diet or lifestyle, they need to have a lot of willpower, and it is not a willpower game. It is a game between how clean your environment is, whom you are hanging around with.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of external factors, and the first step could be take an inventory of what you have around you.
Okay.
Because if you are surrounded with cleaner food, people who are supportive, and you don't have to have everybody who is supportive, because we work and you are going to interact different people, different family members, but you want a good balance of somebody, a good support from the community, and having a clean environment. It's going to be very difficult to have the cabinets full of junk food and you trying to eat carrots. That's not how our brain works.
True.
Right?
Yeah.
So cleaning up your environment is a number one thing I ask people to start noticing.
Right. That's a good one.
That's number one. And secondly, don't have all or none philosophy. That either I'm going to change everything or I'm going to change nothing. I just tell start somewhere. And the first day, first 1 week, it could be just making a list of groceries to buy.
Right.
Okay, and then go get the groceries.
Small
the
steps.
second could be, I'm going to make one meal,
Right.
which is compliant.
Yeah.
So really break down this entire journey into a very tiny, small steps,
Right.
where you have to build your self-esteem to go forward.